Hey guys, it's Ivy in time for Walgreens Cheap deals this week. Plus, they have a summer clearance, guys. First thing I'm going to start with is the cereal because I did not get the cereal in Dollar General. Buy one at $5.99, get two free. So $5.99 divided by 3 day costs $1.99. That is a much better deal than Dollar General. Remember, guys, I do not gatekeep. So if I find a better deal somewhere else and I am couponing for that, then I will be doing that deal. Okay, so stick to your budget because that's most important at this point, guys. Okay, now see these right here? These are the Hispanic um, cakes and cream pies and pound cakes. They are all 50% off. So none of them came over $1. This was excellent for our day at the zoo and for my boys to take and snack on. So it is a ton of them. Take a good look at them, guys. They were all over the store, but they are 50% off. Now that's the food part of the little clearance that I'm showing you. Stay to the end because there's more clearance that's here. Now, the Sweet Baby Ray's was 2 for $5. So I'm going to grab 2 of those because in any other store, they're more higher. So $5, 2 for $5, and that makes them 50 cents, $2.50 each. Now the applesauce is 2 for $6. They did not have any more of the apple juice, so if you want to grab it, they can. Now see the body wash, it was a $6.99. It is $1.79. Again, I'm not brand loyal, so I picked up both of those body washes. Okay. Also, it's good for sensitive skin. Now we know that Airwick gave us a $3 coupon, but we want the kit. And here's the kit right here for $4.49. $3 coupon makes them $1.49. Now, if you guys, beginners, if you are looking to start a stockpile, this is it. Or for your emergency prep stockpile, $1.99. You also can do the Arm & Hammer 3 for $7.49, which I believe makes them $2.50 each. And here's the rest of the Purex right here. Great to start your stockpile or a prepper pantry. Now the Nivea is $6.49 on sale for $5. They gave us an awesome coupon. I believe that coupon is $2 or $3. So when you get to it, let's scan it. $5.99. They gave us a $2 off one coupon. So if you use Nivea, make sure you grab a Nivea. I use Nivea and one of my sons use Nivea. So I am going to grab that bottle. I have to start getting school back, guys. Who's ready for their kids to go back to school? Grandkids, everybody. It's time. Now we're here for some freebies in Walgreens as usual. The storage bags are buy one at $2.79. You will get 2 free. So it makes them 91 to 93 cents each depending on what state you're in. I was in Tennessee and they were like $2.76. A little cheaper. So I found some more freezer bags. I need these because it's time for me to start clearing out things in my garden and getting them chopped up and put away. Now the aluminum foil is $3.99. It is on sale. Buy one, get one free. I am also going to grab 2 of the aluminum foils because whenever I need to, I stock up whenever I can. So if you are a beginner couponer, this is a great stock up. It makes it $1.39. I believe they also had that plastic wrap that's on sale for $3.49. Buy one, get one free also. So let me see. I did need the plastic wrap. Yes. Buy one, get one free at $3.49. Oh, I meant to say $3.49. So $1.89 I put in, but it's $3.49. So go down back. Now, the paper towel Scott. $5, buy one, get one, 50% off right here. But if you scroll down, guys, they gave us a better deal, $2 off of 2. So to hit that green mark, check details because you always want to make sure your product is under that coupon. That is how you check that, okay? If you're enjoying this video, guys, hit like. Okay, $7.50, $5.50, or they are going to be $2.75 each. So I grabbed 2 of the Scott paper towel because you guys already know the first thing I run out in my household is paper towel. So that is one of my pet peeves. Over here, guys, so I have a son that loves the Hello toothpaste, the one that's in college, okay? So I picked that one up for him. He actually bought it on a fluke and fell in love with it. So here it is at $6. It's $6 off too. That is a very high value coupon. Hit that coupon and then open for a detail and find your deal right there. There you are right there. $6.99. So we're going to put 2 of those in our cart. Let's do the math. They're $6 each, so that's $12. You're gonna take $6 off, leave you paying $6 out of the pocket. But at the end, you're gonna get a register reward for $5, making you pay $1 for 2 or 50 cents each eventually. That's an awesome deal. I do have an $8 register reward from the Dove last week, so I'm gonna use that now. On the Colgate Optic White, those are also at $5 right here. Then some are at $6. There's another one. See, the Colgate Sensitive is $6.29. It's $5. When you look at it, $5. We have a number of coupons, $2 off of one and $2 off one. We need both of those coupons. So when you buy 2, you get a $5 register reward. So we're going to hit both coupons, turn them green, open details. Make sure your sensitive toothpaste is in for both of those products, guys, okay? So turn both of those green. Then we're going to do the math. So they're at $5 each. $10. Take 2 off twice. Leave us paying $6 out of pocket. But at the end, it will print out us a registered reward, leaving us at $1 or 50 cents each. So I grabbed 2 boxes of those because I need these also. Now, you could do that. It's more deals you could do. So we're going to collect what? $10 today. That's how much we're going to collect. $10. So over here, I was kind of leery with the, I believe, the Oral-B or the Colgate, because when I scanned, it said one thing, but it was a different product in that spot. And I did this a couple of times, so I decided that I wasn't going to grab any of the Oral-B or Crest products. But I just want to show you it is a deal here for this. But see that $5 off 3, but the tag says buy 2 and you'll get a certain amount off. You'll get a register reward. So we don't want to do that deal because you got to pick up an extra toothpaste or a toothbrush. See? So I don't like that deal, guys. If you are a newbie, I wouldn't touch that. It's other deals that you could do that are just as good. Do not be brand loyal. Brands are not loyal to you. They're going to go to their next highest paying customer. I just want to see that Vicks Vapor Riser. It was $21, $10 off. Look at the clearance, guys. All of the summer, but this is what I want you to pay attention to, especially if you are a new couponer. This clearance is not even where it should be at this time last year. Wait longer and you'll end up paying 49 cents, 79 cents. That's when they have their 70 to 80% off summer clearance. So don't touch that. I just want to show you that it's there. It's time if you are a person that stock up. Now, if you are a FIFA soccer player, 80% off, guys. 80. I do want that scarf. I want to go a little lower, and I'm going to grab that scarf and those socks. I like both pairs, but I don't watch soccer, and one of my boys do, but I don't remember which player it is that he likes, so I'm not going to mess with. This is what I like. See those cups? That was an awesome deal right there. If you are on a budget, stock up. You could have grabbed 4 cups for 80 cents. So they have the little FIFA cups. Thanks, guys. Bye.